Hello everyone, welcome to this inspirational podcast series. I am Krishnaveni J, your वास्तु एंड न्यूमरोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट। आज मैं आप सबके लिए एक और इंस्पिरेशनल जर्नी लेके आई हूँ जो आपके और हमारे जैसे एक कॉमन पर्सन है, बट नाउ शी इज लाइक अ बिग पर्सन एंड शी इज डूइंग सो वेल इन वास्तु. She has immense expertise in vastu, and she is in this profession for more than 10 years, and she is very busy with her travels, but still I thank her for taking time and coming here. Let's all welcome Shweta Nahata ji. Shweta ji.
So my gratitude also for considering me this important to invite me for your podcast. I keep seeing that you are inviting people and doing such a great job by letting people become aware about this field of occult science, which was so long neglected. So
Yes,
thank you
my
so much.
yes, my intention is to create awareness about these sciences and bring people's journey, because like if I have taken up this as a profession, and it is because something is transformed in my life. And
Yes.
whosoever has come into this field and taken it up as a profession, there is something in their journey which made them take this. So I focus on bringing those journeys, because you never know कि वो किस inspire कर जाए. There might be
Yes.
someone जिसके life में और उनको वास्तु का importance ना पता हो. So that's our intention. So welcome once again. I welcome you to this show. Tell us, how did it start up and how did you come to Vastu?
So I was technically I was working with my husband in his computer firm as a blogger, graphic designer, and coder. But I got my mentor who wanted to get a website designed from me. So in that relevance, I started studying because we need to put content on the website, and I
Yes.
started studying about various principles. Initially, this was the first time I was coming in contact with anything that was occult science.
Hmm.
So I started applying. That is a एक basic human fitrat hoti है. You read about something that if you do this, this will happen. If you do this, so I applied a few principles, and to my astonishment, things that I never believed could have changed.
Yes.
So I realized that there is something beyond our own vision. There is something beyond, what we see. There is a superpower. And if we really make an effort to invite that superpower in our lives, can happen. So Vastu is one of those miracles where you have to really put your shit in making changes to your life. No magic can be installed in your house, but you have to, do it through your subconscious mind, and definitely by making certain changes to your living and so it came very magically. And I thank my mentor who really guided me, and I feel that my whole life changed at an age of 33, 34.
Thank you, Shweta ji, for sharing this, because as I said, everybody has that journey by which Vastu
Yes.
has brought immense transformation in their own life. Any particular thing which you want to share which has changed in your life after doing Vastu?
The most important thing was I was forever a very bright student, and I always knew that I could do things very differently. I had a very long vision, foresightedness, seeing an application which will come after 5 years, but I could have sensed it 5 years back, which I was not being able in my husband's office due to various reasons. But when I learned this, anything and everything that was a dream became true, be it
Hmm.
materialistically, be it achieving a status in life, or having that feeling that I am worth it. And most importantly, see people in pain. So, by using the things, if I cannot give anything else to a person, I can at least give him a hope
Yes.
towards a better life. And that is the best gift
Best.
that a person can give to someone. आप नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट आप उसको एक होप टुवर्ड्स अ बेटर फ्यूचर एंड यू कैन गिव हिम. So I learned those tips through which a person in a matter of say 3 lunar cycles or 4 lunar cycles, you can really change your life. So I got that magic tool. So I really thank this platform or this field of science, which really needs a deep understanding and a study, research. It's not so easy to learn it in
Yes.
2 days or 3 days' time. You really
Yes.
have to go through a to and find relevant answers to situations, because every person has a different situation.
Yes, you rightly said every person has a different situation. According to that, when they put this magical practice, as you said, definitely the results are 100% guaranteed, what we have experienced in our life. So, like, there are many sciences, as you see nowadays, a lot of people turning up to so many healing modalities, Vastu, astrology, numerology. But basically, when we are discussing about Vastu, one thing which comes us is Feng Shui. It has been compared so much with Feng Shui because few principles are similar. Tell me about this.
So see, I will say usually, doctors, they will say everyone competes, in the field of occult science there is no competition, because astrology, numerology, your house design, your living space, your workspace, everything, your daily habits, everything combines together to create the life that you are living. I'll give you a very simple example. People say that I have a toilet in northeast but nothing affects me. So if that person has a very strong Jupiter, or maybe that person is born on 3, which somehow balances your northeast. Okay, in that case, might be that the toilet in the northeast doesn't affect. Okay, so
Yes,
there are a lot of things that come together make means relevant in your life. So every modality has its own value. To say that no, if you have corrected the vastu, everything will be life. To say that every if you have corrected the numerology, everything will be fine. No, it's when you do something,
something.
magic happens, and you come into contact with another person. That is why
Yes,
that is the gift of universe. When you start believing that universe is there to support me for a better life, I have done the vastu, magic happens, and the person might get connected to a numerologist who says, okay, you've done the vastu, but these are the missing numbers in your life. If you do not create this, it's like taking a nebulizer without holes in your nose. So you have to do the, but how did that
yes,
numerologist get connected? It's because you made changes. So
yes.
universe started supporting you. Then it's
Yes, that's
okay.
when
Yes.
you do changes in the house, you start seeing positive things happening in your life. You attract those
Use
kind.
by ask, yes. If I ask you to see a blue color around yourself, you will only focus on blue, because that's the signal that you've given to your
Yes,
brain. You will miss out on seeing anything that is green or red or orange. So when you are living in a negative environment, then your brain is tuned to looking at negative things and avoiding believing and trusting in something positive. But when that change happens, you start welcoming the positive thing. You welcome a positive person in
yes.
life, he brings about a change, and then you get connected to another person. So it's a process. It's no magic tablet that you take. That's
As you
how
rightly
I
said, that it is a process and it does not happen overnight, but universe
yes,
gives those opportunities, right?
yes, 100%.
Like in Vastu, there are a lot of misconceptions, as we say. They say, now you spoke about Northeast. Yes, people are very scared about Northeast, and there are many people who scare us also. But as you said, if the Jupiter is strong and they have number 3, their chances may be less. So in that case, like, is there any other myth in Vastu which you would like to debunk? बहुत
The
सारी चीजें हैं.
Yes, the biggest myth about vastu is people saying I do not believe in vastu. So
Yes,
we breathe oxygen, plants breathe carbon dioxide, we need a pumping heart to live. You believe it or not believe, these are the truths. Okay,
truths. Yes,
these are the truths. Simply, vastu is a science of balancing the energies of your body to the environment, making it conducive to the environment that you live in. If you say I believe in, it will believe or not believe, but sometimes we humans have this habit of looking at our financial position and saying that, and you are not bothered about about your emotional
yes,
status, about the relations, about the health that your family members go through. Okay, so in that case we proudly say that vastu se mujhe farak nahi pad raha, but that's not true. Okay, so vastu is a science. There are umpteen number of evidences and
evidence.
experiments and diagrams to prove that it's a science. There is a way of doing things. Architects, interiors, they should always follow those principles. If we neglect, we will have its effect on our life, negative
Yes.
effects. How and when it happens vary according to the karmas, according to the lifestyle practices that we follow. Okay, but it's a science. And to say that I do not believe in, but then this myth is also breaking down after corona Krishna ji, because
Yes,
during Corona, when we had nothing to do, we were being a part of these webinars. Do this, your immunity will be strong. Do that. People
that
started doing, and when they started doing it over and over and over again, they got
that
results. So now, if there were 30% followers used to follow Vastu, today there are 70%. Almost everyone follows Vastu.
yes, this
Vastu or
science
yes,
popularity day by
it
day
is
इसका एक
getting popularity. And the
popularity and
only
more
reason why it's not very popular is because this science was never institutionalized. Agar ek institution hota, you have to pass a process of 3 years of study, 4 years. I think even 3-4 years are less to study this vast occult science. Okay,
yes,
so agar ek institutionalized process hota that you have to pass through these stages and then get a certificate to be a certified Vastu expert,
yes.
then this myth would not have been attached to this beautiful way of living.
You beautifully said, because it is not a 2 day or a 3 day thing. It takes around 1 to 2 years for you to learn it thoroughly. Because if you're doing some changes in somebody's house, you're actually changing the future for a good or a bad in their house. So how you do is very important. क्योंकि आप किसी की life को 360 डिग्री अच्छे के लिए change कर सकते
Just
हो
as
with
a
वास्तु.
doctor is handling your heart, you are handling the hearts of 5 people who are living in that house. And you have to be
Yes.
very cautious about everything that you suggest
Hmm.
to a family or to a person.
Yes. And here, as you talked about architecture and interior designers, do you think now the awareness among architects and interior designers or have also come up, which was not earlier about Vastu?
Initially, when I used to do projects, वास्तु कंसल्टेंट को देखते ही इंटीरियर्स का मूड, ठीक है, because they used to feel, and somehow they were correct also,
Correct also,
because
yes.
the even the consultants were of this sort that they will just say इसको यहाँ kitchen को, without understanding that there are certain principles that one has to follow in architecture. If there is no water line, how can you bring a kitchen from a, maybe an east to
Yes.
east southeast? So maybe every community was too stubborn, but aaj ke din mein there are more courses being offered. There are we have also, as a community, we have also developed, we are learning different modalities, so we understand ki acha theek hai, if there is a multi corporate building, usme it is just not possible to shift few things, then
Yes.
what are the things that we can do to balance the energies? Vastu is all about balancing the energies. So yes, it's always a two-way clapping. So even the architects and interiors, they are themselves taking the training, and they meet people. So most of them I work with almost all big architects and interiors all through the country, from Bombay, Delhi. So they say we have a basic learning, we train our staff to go through a 2 day 3 day learning process, so everyone is becoming more and more vigilant.
Yes, it is good that more and more vigilance is happening. And people, as you said, after COVID, when they implemented few things, when they were in trouble, they saw the result after putting again and again the efforts. But still, ऐसे भी लोग हैं श्वेता जी जो वास्तु करते हैं, जो रिजल्ट देखते हैं, but they don't want to acknowledge, because like you have acknowledged that yes, Vastu has changed your life. Yes, I will acknowledge that yes, Vastu has, I did something in my house and it has changed my life. Not many people are comfortable doing that. Why is it so?
See, in some places, it is still considered as a totka, as a taboo. Okay,
Yes.
people believe, "अरे क्या चक्करों में पड़े हो?"
मैं पढ़ गया.
This is the best line which defines this science. क्या पढ़ रहे हो? ऐसा नहीं कि they don't know by heart. So I have in my client list a lot of people उसे आप कर दीजिए बस, आई मीन ठीक है हम कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स फॉर देम इट्स लाइक अ प्रोसेस व्हेन यू आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग अ हाउस, knowingly not knowingly, you know that a termite treatment is a part of the process of designing your house. So they take it as a process, but it's okay, it varies from, you cannot bring everyone on the same platform. इस दुनिया में अगर सब so बहुत अच्छा, जो थोड़ा मानते हैं थोड़ा अच्छा, जो नहीं मान, they are the greatest. क्योंकि at heart and mind they know कि this is important.
No, recently around 1.5 months back, I met one of the clients. They said हम लोग believe नहीं, but हमें किसी ने बोला था कि आप, तो हमने सोचा करके देखते हैं. But somewhere down the time they had the belief कि हमारे problems का answer इनके. That's why they have come even without having that complete belief.
So see, sometimes these people are like a book which is devoid of a real story, but the cover is so beautiful that people are tempted to buy it. So they put a cover to their disheartened life, showing it to people that they have a very fantastic, fabulous and gorgeous life, but technically inside उनको ये पता होता है कि करके देखते हैं यार, ना पता चले. So I have a lot of people who deal with this, and I go and tell them that if you are not confident, please don't go ahead. Okay, but then I have never come back from any site saying that someone has told me कि ठीक है फिर सोचते हैं कब करेंगे. Anyway, after listening to 5 principles, I guarantee you
Yes.
that they get hellbound कि नहीं हमें तो we have to go ahead.
Shweta ji, share how deep the Vastu can influence somebody's life.
See, it's like there are some people who believe in God, there are others who don't. Okay, so Vastu is no magic, as I told you, that I will go and install in your house. Yes, there are structures which are not right. I might correct them. Okay, but I have learned, and this is my best learning about Vastu, that Vastu is about, you can correct the whole house through 5 sense organs. What you see, what you smell, what you chant, what you hear, and that creates your total feeling. Okay, so structural demolitions I don't really believe in, because sometimes it's not possible,
Possible.
sometimes you can't
Yes.
afford it, and sometimes it's so messy that people think that it is better to go on the way we are rather than making those demolitions. Okay,
Yes.
mostly it is not possible.
Yes.
Your neighbors, your society will not let that happen. In that case, what should we do? Should we leave people to suffer the way they are? No. Then we give them remedial measures,
Remedies.
which
Yes.
is very scientific if you relate to. Suppose if there is northeast section and it is devoid of energies because of the presence of a kitchen or maybe a toilet. So in that a kitchen, it will definitely affect, because why? So Vastu is no totka. We are living in a northern hemisphere where the wind carrying maximum oxygen starts from the north and east
Northeast.
direction. So if
Yes.
you have a toilet constructed or a kitchen constructed, the oxygen laden wind will have
It
all
will
its
be
oxygen
impure.
burned.
Impure.
The wind that is circulating in your house will be devoid of the oxygen. If there is less oxygen, the wind that you are breathing in affects your respiratory organs, and in
Yes.
process affects all your
Health
systems.
issues. Yes.
Okay, because the body is devoid of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, your mental, emotional and physical energies are hampered. So
Yes.
your total body energy goes down. That is how it affects. It's no totka. So you need to do whatever your consultant is telling you. Suppose if I tell you that in the northeast you must burn a camphor diffuser, where you must add camphor morning, afternoon, evening.
After evening. Yes.
Process should not be like when I inquire you, are you doing it? Your answer should not be हाँ करते हैं ना, 3-4 दिन किए थे. This should not be your answer. You do not choose when to breathe. You breathe all the time.
All the
So
time.
you
Yes.
should be doing it. If I've told you 3 times a day, it should be like 3 times a day. It should not be 2 times a day.
But
If
many
you
people don't have patience to do this. उनको लगता है जब भी हम सजेस्ट करते हैं, 1 हफ्ते हमने किया, उसके बाद अभी टाइम नहीं है. But when they come to us with a problem, they are like, मैम आप जो बोलेंगे हम करेंगे. But then after that, somewhere few people get relaxed कि एक बार कर लिया या 1 हफ्ते कर लिया, बस हमारा काम हो गया.
तो
Not
कृष्णा
like
जी,
that.
आपको, मेरे को, अपने लाइफ में, अपने जर्नी में, आई हैव क्लाइंट्स जो कि वास्तु में, अगेन देयर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वाज फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया, ठीक है, एंड टुडे दे विल नॉट बाय even one showpiece without sending it on WhatsApp. Buying this, where should I put it? So
Yes.
that's a journey where your consultant is so good कि वो आपको हर प्रोसेस से आपको ये बिलीव दिला देता है कि आप हर चीज जो अपने घर में ऐड करते हैं और डिलीट करते हैं उससे फर्क पड़ता है. बट जो लोग शिद्दत से नहीं करते हैं कि 2 दिन किया, 5 दिन किया, as a consultant you should realize that this person is not ready, still not ready to. So when I say I am abundant to receive the energies of the world, I have to open up myself to receive
Yes.
that abundance. Asking for money will not bring money, but you have to open
Open
yourself
up.
to receive the abundance. So when they say this, when such clients call me, I tell them a few guidelines, you have to do this, and after a month or two, when they say ki हाँ 5-7 दिन। तो आई सेड, मैंने आपको बताया था ना कि दिस हैज टू बी डन फॉर मिनिमम ऑफ 5-6 मंथ्स। पूरी जिंदगी लगा दी अपनी लाइफ को खराब करने के लिए, 30 साल लगा दिए लाइफ को खराब करने के लिए। एट 30 यू आर रियलाइजिंग दैट यू नीड वास्तु एंड एस्ट्रोलॉजी, और 30 दिन में चेंजेस चाहिए। ऐसे कैसे होता है? ऐसा नहीं होता है। इट्स नो मैजिक दैट विल हैपन ओवरनाइट।
बिकॉज डॉक्टर भी जब प्रिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं पहले देते हैं,
फर्स्ट थिंग
एंड
टू देम,
आफ्टर दैट दे सेड कम एंड रिव्यू, जबकि 1 वीक लेने के बाद ठीक हो जाता है, रिव्यू के लिए कोई जाता नहीं है, दे गेट रिलैक्स। And the same thing applies to Vastu also. You have to keep reviewing from time to time according, because problems हमेशा same नहीं रहते. We are also accountable to our clients कि हमने कुछ काम किया है. How are they doing? Are they doing it or not?
as I told you, this science is not institutionalized. Okay?
Yes, it is in
किताबें
a very
नहीं है, इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है, स्टंट लगता है हार्ट में, डॉक्टर गारंटी का जीवन है कूदो। इट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल प्रैक्टिसेस। You can't jump, you cannot run, you have to take a daily
and in the
breathing
end
exercise.
डॉक्टर भी यही बोलते हैं, गॉड पे, भगवान पे के बाद.
There are prescription pills, there are changes in your diets, there are changes in your life habits, then you follow everything. So here also, but then also there are sometimes the medicines don't suit, you go back to the hospital for a treatment, that process you follow. So here also you have to practice it as a process, because so many things that were negative for years.
Yes.
So you have to give some time to change. You have to have that broad mind aspect that अगर शरीर में कोई तकलीफ होती है तो हम years and years हम मेडिसिन लेते हैं। तो वैसे यहाँ पे हमें कुछ टाइम देना चाहिए अपने कंसल्टेंट को, और उसको नॉट एज एन एलिगेशन बट एज अ रिव्यूइंग थिंग कि मैम हम वो सब कर रहे हैं जो आप कर, बट नथिंग इज रियली चेंज। देन आई विल बी more conscious
More
to
conscious.
see what is it. Then I will maybe try another modality, maybe I'll try another trick to bring about a change. और ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता that if you are reviewing your process changes. So that is the smartness of a client.
Here I want to share one example. जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, it is all about your 5 senses. आप जो देखते हैं, smell करते हैं, feel करते हैं, what is there around. Sometime back, 3-4 months back, there was a client who came to me. They said, I went to their house and changes मैंने कराए, but the major thing which was affecting in their house was one painting. They had a huge painting in their living area, and they said, "Ma'am, ये तो सालों से है." They had everything good in their life, but they were not happy. और वो एक डूबते हुए जहाज का फोटो था जो एक जाल पे फंसा हुआ था. एंड आई एक्सप्लेन देम हाउ इट वर्क्स. आप रोज सुबह उठते हो, लिविंग एरिया में बैठते हो, रोज उसको देखते हो, यू आर कंज्यूमिंग दैट एनर्जी. बिलीव मी, दे थॉट 100 टाइम्स टू रिमूव दैट थिंग कि वो बहुत कॉस्टली है. पर जैसे ही फाइनली दे सेड, नाउ दे कम एंड थैंक मी कि that has really been a turning point. After 2 to 3 months they feel, yes, we are feeling happy. आपने तो कुछ ज्यादा करने को बोला ही नहीं, आपने बोला था पहले सिर्फ ये पेंटिंग हटाओ, बाद में रेमेडीज में बाद में करूंगी.
So with this painting thing, I come across a very interesting experience that I had here in Calcutta. So I was asked to come over to look at a house. The person was buying out that house, but he said ki, see, I have an inhibition. Vastu is very good. I knew that place because I've seen it earlier also. So the building में कुछ आज flats मैंने देखे थे, तो मैंने बोला it's a nice house. So he said, no, there is something peculiar about this flat. Whoever comes here, within 6 months, either she's divorced, the lady is affected, either she gets very sick.
Yes.
So sorry, I think the connection got distorted.
Now, no. Yes, you're audible.
That whoever's house, in 6 months time, either the lady has got divorced, or the husband has died, or there has been a lot of disputes, and finally they have separated. You can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but it is little breaking. Just a moment. Yes.
Okay. So saying that he's buying that house, but a strange thing has happened 6 times in that house. Each time a family has rented that place. Either the couple has got divorced, or the husband has died, or the lady, and the husband have separated and they live in separate spaces. So he was having certain inhibitions, in spite of he had certain knowledge, in spite of knowing that the house was really good in Vastu. When I went there, It was so astonishing. And that was my starting point when I realized that these
Okay.
things, what you see and what gets registered on your subconscious mind, is more and more
Hmm.
important. Okay, so there were 6 paintings all across the house where a lady was sitting with a diya. There are 6 women sitting together, or a woman is crying, or a woman is hiding her face, or a lady depicting being depicted in black, a white background and a black lady. Everywhere there was one thing common: there was no unison. There was always solitude
Solid.
women. So that really created, and it was spread all over the house. Maybe
Hmm.
whoever put up that painting was a woman lover. Maybe that person who जिनका भी घर था उस family को, they had that maybe deep respect for women, where every painting had only a
Hmm.
single woman crying, or even if she's in joy, she is alone. There was no family, there was no happy painting. So I got all those paintings removed, and thankfully the family is still staying there, all happy. And so this was just to let you know that everything that you see, अगर आप एक गाड़ी से जा रहे हैं, दूर से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा that there is a dirty
Yes.
thing आगे. So your smell is very sharp.
Very sharp.
What you speak also creates an impression in the environment. And yes, you should keep listening to good music. That is what I feel, that play good music in the house, so that no matter, the air has that power to keep purifying the environment.
Yes.
So that's the take about the 5 sense organs and vastu.
थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग दिस रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल बिकॉज काफी लोगों को पता नहीं होता है घर पे रखी हुई चीजें, पेंटिंग्स, कोई स्कल्पचर्स हमारी लाइफ में इतनी अफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेनेवर यू बाय सम पेंटिंग और समथिंग, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू मेक इट एज पर द वास्तु ऑफ
Not
दैट
only
हाउस.
paintings, everything that you keep in the house.
यस, ईच एंड
यस,
एवरीथिंग इज
हर चीज
डायरेक्टली
जो आप
कनेक्टेड.
खरीदें, यूजुअली आज के दिन में ट्रेंड है, एवरी शोपीस इज ब्रोकन इनटू टू, एंड दे आर सेपरेटेड एंड जॉइंट टुगेदर. नहीं, ह्यूमन बॉडी बीइंग ब्रोकन इनटू टू, बीच में बुक्स रखे, एंड शुडंट बाय दोस स्टफ. मेक्स यू फील हैप्पी.
श्वेता जी, कैन यू थ्रो सम लाइट ऑन मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर एंड वास्तु? क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे, क्योंकि जब वास्तुशास्त्र था इतने, तब का लिविंग स्टाइल, तब की चीजें डिफरेंट थी. अभी विथ टाइम व्हेन पीपल आर एक्चुअली implementing it, modern lifestyle is different. How
Modern
easy it is
lifestyle
to
is related to
incorporate
comfort.
these designs?
So
Yes.
I always, yes, I always say, if you want to live in your comfort zone, live. That's the demand of the time. No one is asking people to go back to the ancient times when there was one washroom for a family of 15. Don't. But when you are wanting to live in your comfort zone, you have to listen to your consultants. You should listen to the remedial measures too. It's not like you will spend crores of rupees in designing your house, buying a house, but simple remedial changes you don't want
Yes.
to spend, because वो जो money है measures, that is hidden. You cannot show off
True.
that I made vastu corrections or energy upliftment in your house and I spent 2 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees. You cannot show that. Okay, good
But people
interiors
are
you can
okay to
flaunt.
spend, but yes, people are ready to spend 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, even 50 lakhs to their interiors. But वास्तु पे spend करना नहीं चाहते हैं,
That
या
is
फिर
a common
वास्तु
thing, no, Krishna ji.
बैक सीट ले जाता है. Yes.
जो दिखता है वही बिकता है ना, ये तो सेंटेंस है ही. तो जो दिख रहा
Yes.
है आप बोल सकते हैं ये टीवी मैंने लिया, ओलेड है, आईलेड है, एंड दिस हैज आई स्पेंट 3 लाख रुपीज. वास्तु में थोड़ी ना बोलेंगे इस कोने में मैंने ये लगाया था, मैंने उसका यू कैन नॉट शो ऑफ. दैट्स द बेसिक ट्रेंड, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. ओके, सो मॉडर्न आर्किटेक्चर, आई विल से दैट आई एम ब्लेस्ड that every day we are working on bungalows and big building projects. I have learned the sciences well, so we know that we really amalgamate very beautifully with the architects. We do not let them compromise, because they
Compromise.
also have a thought. They have also taken their studies from Italy, Paris. They have certain structure which do not tally to the maybe Indian architecture, a straight square building. So they want to incorporate certain features. You should know as a consultant how you can correct that energies in the ground. So if you want to cut off one portion and throw light all from top to bottom, yes, please, you are welcome to incorporate that design, but that has to come in the northeast part, where under the ground we will
Yes.
create a 4 right-angled structure. उसके ऊपर आप 4 मतलब on the 4 corners at 90 degree, northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest, आप अपने columns को रख लीजिए. उसके ऊपर आपको जो structure tight with a tie
Yes.
beam, so that the base structure is a square or a rectangle in proper ratio.
Yes. Yes.
And ऊपर में आपको जो construct करना है, there will be certain modulations, but you can together we can create a structure which will be, because ultimately it's not the architecture, it is not the architect, it's not my sciences, and it's the client who will be affected by everything
Yes.
that is being built. So
Yes.
अपना ego किसी को भी बीच में नहीं लाना चाहिए. We should think of the total prosperity. An architect knows what he wants to give as a design, but at the same time we as a consultant also
We
know
also
what is
know.
good for the client's energy
And
system.
interiors also
So
know the client's requirement according to the beautification of the house. They also put in their efforts for the interiors.
yes, we should also listen to them, that what are the plannings they have to make a place beautiful, and at the same time they should also listen to us, that using a mirror on the south just because you want to decorate a wall will not give a right effect to the client. So it is a proper friendship between the architect and the consultant, which will create a dream house for the client,
Yes.
and that house will never be devoid of energy system.
At the end of the day, it is the client whose things has to be
Yes,
taken
this is the
care of.
client. It should be a common interest. मेरा आपका हर लेबर का common interest ये client pay कर रहा है, and he should prosper. If he prospers, he will give us more projects and more referrals, and that is how
Yes.
the vicious circle runs. Okay, so
Yes.
अगर हम अपनी चीजों को भूल कर no no no, I want this, I will say I want this, this I is what spoils things.
Yes.
I have to realize that interiors की कुछ plannings है. There is certain thing that he has thought will make the client's house look beautiful. Where can I incorporate? What is my attitude towards the interior? I tell him, okay, you want to incorporate this? Let's do it on this
Yes.
side where we
Yes.
sit, and I should know my science as well, where I can actually quickly draw a diagram and let the interior know, if you do this, this is how your body system is affected. The client, the
Will
interior
definitely.
will always come on a common dot point and agree to doing what is right.
Yes, when we explain the science and how it will affect our body and how it will affect our life.
So Vastu, as I said, is a science of balancing your mental, emotional and physical energy so that your total body aura is super high. And how does that happen? By understanding the movement of the sun,
Yes.
the topography of the land, and the
Yes.
5 elements.
5 elements.
So
Yes.
technically there is never ऑलवेज अ डिमोलिशन. अगर हार्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है तो हम थोड़ी ना हार्ट को निकाल के फेंक देते हैं. अगर बॉडी में विटामिन और ज्यादा विटामिन एंड प्रोटीन्स खाते हैं, इसीलिए उसी तरीके से अगर घर के नॉर्थ ईस्ट में कोई डिफिकल्टी है, घर के साउथ वेस्ट में कोई डिफिकल्टी है, जिसको आपको अगर इफ देयर इज अ टॉयलेट, देयर इज अनदर चैप्टर टू दिस साइंस की अ टॉयलेट इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड साउथ वेस्ट डजंट वर्क. नॉर्थ ईस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट एंड योर ब्रह्मस्थान, दे आर द लाइफ ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल. नॉर्थ ईस्ट,
Yes.
the physical energy,
Physical.
जिस पैरों से आप भागते हैं, that is your southwest,
Southwest.
and your entire gut system, your kidney, your heart is in the center of the body. So ये northeast, center and southwest should be naturally healed. Okay, there should no, so a client should not get stubborn about removing a WC from the you can keep the toilet, you can take a bath, but you have to remove the WC. So somewhere you have to step down from your stubbornness if you don't want to demolish a structure.
It is all the
So
question of
that is,
coming out of the comfort zone to
it's
remove that.
all about coming out of the comfort zone, doing the right thing, because when you do the right thing, the universe supports you, and maybe tomorrow you progress so much. So Vastu itself doesn't bring money. When you make corrections, it affects your mental, emotional and physical energies. You make the right decisions in your business, and technically it brings money. Yes, right decision. Outright you might receive an order and you feel like, अरे यार ये घर में बहुत झमेले हैं, let me buy a new house. यूनिवर्स आपके लिए, आप अपना अल्टीमेट चीज देखो कि मुझे नया घर चाहिए. कैसे होगा? कंसल्टेंट का प्रॉपर प्रोसेस फॉलो करिए. कैसे होगा भी अगर आप सोचेंगे तो यूनिवर्स क्या करेगा?
यूनिवर्स. यस.
सो यू थिंक, यू आस्क, मुझे ये चाहिए, और एक प्रॉपर प्रोसेस फॉलो करिए, जो चाहिए वही, जो देखा है वही मिलेगा,
वही
बट
मिलेगा।
उसका
यस,
प्रोसेस है, मैजिक नहीं होगा, दैट इज फॉर
फॉलो द
श्योर।
प्रोसेस,
नो
लेकिन
वास्तु
वो प्रोसेस को फॉलो करने के लिए ही लोग पेशेंस नहीं रख पाते।
पेशेंस नहीं रख पाते, तो वो पेशेंस इज द की। ऑलवेज डिमोलिशिंग से ही रिजल्ट नहीं आ जाएगा, हमेशा पेशेंस से, ठीक है ना, एंड देन यू गेट द रिजल्ट्स।
Yes. And here I want to ask something, that when nowadays when a lot of people are coming into these healing modalities and Vastu, your suggestions for people who want to take it up, learn this, who want to do this as a profession, how much time they should invest, कितने time पे कोई कर सकता है, can it be done by anybody?
See, I am seeing online people are offering courses at 99 rupees. आप खुद, अगर मैं एक, if I say that I'm a vastu expert, I'm a numerologist,
Here I want to ask one thing, आज के डेट पे जो लोग वास्तु सीखना चाहते हैं, काफी सारे लोग इस प्रोफेशन में आना चाहते हैं, कितना टाइम देना चाहिए उनको सीखने में, एंड हाउ दे शुड टेक इट?
firstly, I have seen that in the past 3-4 years after Corona, everyone, जैसे just from a boutique, it was a great thing. Oh my God, you have got it from a boutique. आज के दिन में हर घर में बुटीक है, ओके।
Yes.
सो वैसे ही आज इस ओकल्ट साइंस की फील्ड को भी इजी ले लिया गया है, दैट एनीवन कैन बिकम अ न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट इन 2 days, एनीवन कैन बिकम अ वास्तु एक्सपर्ट। उसकी प्रॉब्लम किससे शुरू होती है? you are a vastu expert, you are a coach and a trainer, but you are making an effort to go slow, you know.
Yes.
You are interviewing people from your own field, so that what did I begin with, that there should be no competition. You में अगर अपनी दुकान लगा दे, 99 में हाथ ठीक कराओ, 99 में हाथ ठीक कराओ, how good is that? You are degrading your own profession. आप 90
If I feel वास्तु और अपने known persons को, if I'm interviewing, bringing them, then it will be selfish. It is like bringing all the people and sharing that knowledge, what they have experienced.
everything is money, people are working for money, बट कुछ प्रोफेशंस होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ मनी नहीं, लोगों की जिंदगियां भी अटैच्ड है। सो टुडे इफ आई से 99 99 99 आई एम टेकिंग अ क्लास ऑन अ सैटरडे, आई विल हैव 1000 पीपल, तो मुझे लगता है कि अरे मैंने इसमें कमा लिया।
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं होता है। आप एक दिन में 3 घंटे की क्लास देकर आप वास्तु सिखा दोगे? या हम लोग 10 साल से, आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम 20, आई मीन इट्स बीन 10 years I've been studying, I have studied so many modality under the guidance of my mentor. I told you, Mr. Rajesh Sarshwat, I mean, I have learned so much. He learns, he still learns, we do courses together. So ऐसे कैसे आप एक दिन में, 2 दिन में, 3 दिन में भेड़ बकरियों की तरह आप एक सेमिनार लेते हैं जहां पे 500 आदमी आ गए, एंड देन आप परसों एक क्लास लेके 3 दिन में वो लेट लूज कर देते हैं इन द एनवायरमेंट, एंड देन आपको उनके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता। So every time that person goes and makes a correction in the house with that limited knowledge in the class, ABCD सिखा के थोड़ी ना आप इंग्लिश ऑनर्स के टीचर बन जाएंगे। कैसे बनेंगे? इंग्लिश ऑनर्स के टीचर बनने के लिए 3 से पूरा प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग लेना,
वो
आपको
बीए की
10
डिग्री
11
या
सब्जेक्ट, देन यू
वो बीए और बीकॉम की डिग्री के
समथिंग
लिए।
एन इंग्लिश।
यस,
आपको एक सिंपल बीकॉम की डिग्री जिससे आपको 10,000 की, उसके लिए भी आपको 3 साल वेट करना पड़ता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 3 दिन में, और वो भी 1000 रुपए में, 500 रुपए में, 499। सो प्रॉब्लम इज विद आवर कम्युनिटी। अगर हमारे पास जॉब नहीं है, वी फाइंड इट सो इजी कि हमारी लिमिटेड नॉलेज को हम आगे प्रोसेस करके और लिमिटेड वे में दूसरों तक पहुंचाएं, और वो जाके दूसरों के घरों में कुछ भी करते जाए। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। There should be some way of stopping this. Okay, so people should learn. Okay, I am so happy. You should be happy कि इस साइंस को इतना फोकस मिल रहा है। People are thinking कि इसके अलावा तो आज के दिन में और कोई फील्ड ही नहीं है। सीख लो, न्यूमरोलॉजी सीख लो, और कमाने का अच्छा सिस्टम है। But the client should also become visible. I mean very vigilant कि please give me your card. Where have you taken the training from? We make so many researches यार about the doctors। पढ़ा हुआ है, अरे अरे आपने, अच्छा आपके फैमिली में किसका सर्जरी उसने किया है, बट अपने कंसल्टेंट के बारे में आप कुछ भी नहीं पता। अरे बेटी को भी अपने उसका डिग्री पूछिए, पढ़ा है क्या, पढ़ा है कितना जानता, देन यू हायर। So
and
learning,
I see people learning in 10 days, 15 days, and starting the consultation also immediately without any practical and knowledge.
Immediately, कैसे ऐसे होता है? नहीं होता है. So when I studied and studied. I went for hundreds of courses wherever I came to know, because I thought that everyone had something to offer. Then I worked under my mentor for every begin it. This process he also followed, no? He also trained himself under
Trained
a,
himself.
it was not like today. आज आपने न्यूमरोलॉजी सीखी, कल आपने कार्ड वहीं पे बनवा देते हैं, कार्ड वहीं पर ही बनवा देते हैं. उस 2 दिन की क्लास में ही आपका कार्ड बन जाता है न्यूमरोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट. अगर एक क्लास में 2 दिन की क्लास में आप न्यूमरोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट बन गए, तो वो टीचर जो इतने सालों से कर रहा है, फिर उसकी तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है ना? सो दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. इट्स नॉट सो इजी टू लर्न अबाउट दिस साइंस. वास्तु शुरू होता है जमीन के 6 से 7 फुट नीचे से. इतने बड़े साइंस को आप 2 दिन में क्या ही सीखोगे? सो चूज योर कोच वेरी वाइजली. Take the right learnings, and we also should choose. इतना हमें कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए कि अगर ईश्वर ने हमें इस फील्ड में डाला है तो वी आर द चोजन लॉट. सो हम भी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को वाइजली चूज करें, just as you are choosing your interviewers so wisely. You reach out to the right people to throw light on this beautiful science.
I'm getting a lot of requests, but I choose where my intuition says. I go and research the profile. I look for that person's what has been doing, how long he's been doing.
Oh, you are doing a super job.
Is that person genuine to even come? And I do not say it's a very big platform or something. I've just started with it, but I make sure that authentic people come and share authentic knowledge. एक छोटी सी कोशिश.
Yes, so it's a great job. At least everyone gets a chance to put forward their views, and when your viewers, they listen to this, listen to the different ideas, what different coaches and experts have to say, registration thoda aur sharp hone lagta hai towards this beautiful science. This is a magical way of improving your life. Nothing can improve your life so quickly and so magically the way occult science can.
Right intention, right practice, but with right intention, right practice, and right coach, and having patience.
No, a little belief, a little, yes, and the right patience. That is what will give you result. अगर एक को मिलता है, किसी को भी भगवान ने स्पेशल नहीं बनाया. जिसको रिजल्ट मिलता है वो लोग बहुत शिद्दत से, वो चीजें नहीं है कि हम कर रहे हैं, वो बोलते नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं करता. अरे मैं कुछ नहीं करता यार, मैं ये सब चीजों में अरे नहीं, बट करते हैं, वो बिना बताए करते हैं, क्योंकि यही तो ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है टू ग्रो. एंड बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो साथ मिलके ग्रो करना चाहते हैं. People are happy showing off their success, so they will not tell you what they have done. No one puts a badge. This is a Vastu certified house or a flat or an office. Do they put?
They never.
Do they put a trophy that this office is certified by so and so company as a Vastu perfect office? No one puts that. The day this starts happening, everything world will be better, because Vastu is actually balancing nature. Northeast में plants लगाओ so that good oxygen is flowing. Southwest में static energy रखो. It's not about only putting up of treasury box, this, यहाँ ये photo लगा लो, नहीं. Energetically घर में. So a quick tip, घर में अच्छी म्यूजिक चलाओ 24/7. अगर पैसों की दिक्कत है तो लक्ष्मी मंत्र चलाओ. अगर हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम है, धनवंतरी म्यूजिक चलाओ. There are so many frequency musics on YouTube. Play good music. धूप दिया करो घर में. Automatically put good pictures. Be conscious about everything that you put in your house, and obviously things will start improving.
Yes. Thank you so much, Shweta ji, for coming and giving your time and sharing such a wonderful insights on Vastu.
Thank you, Krishna ji. Double the thanks that you say to me for giving everyone this opportunity of expressing their views so openly. जो मैं फील करती हूँ अपने इस फील्ड के बारे में, वो मुझे बोलना है. किसी को इम्प्रेस साइंसेस और कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मूलाज यहाँ नहीं बोलना है टू शो दैट हाउ स्मार्ट यू आर अबाउट दिस फील्ड, बट जो दिल में है वो बोलना है, सो दैट पीपल ओपन अप देयर व्यूज वर्ल्ड, दिस मिस्टिकल वर्ल्ड.
Because this is such a pure science that anybody who tastes this cannot stay away from this. And people like you and me are perfect examples of this.
Yes. My life is completely changed after I started following certain principles, which even I could have said that अरे क्या इन, बट व्हेन आई डिड इट, मैंने सोचा क्या है एक बार 30 डेज ही तो ट्राई करना है, बट उन 30 डेज में it became, it became the whole idea is you आपको parcel of my life when I saw this much change, मुझे उस प्रैक्टिस में इतना विश्वास हो गया करूंगी तो अच्छा कुछ नहीं होगा, so it became a part and parcel of my daily routine.
Yes.
The whole idea is to make it, amalgamate it in your daily life so that changes and happiness becomes a part of your natural process in your life.
Thank you so much, Shweta ji. Thank you everyone for watching this wonderful
Thank
podcast.
you.
Do implement whatever I shared. Do believe in these sciences. आप कभी भी किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में स्टक हैं, एक बार इस साइंस को आजमा के जरूर देखिए, शायद नहीं 100% आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. And thank you for watching this, and to watch more inspirational series, scroll through my YouTube channel and watch the series. Thank you so much.